Hello class, in this video tutorial I will show you Excel function called to the right, left, and mid. Okay, so let's say that you have a name Isauro space Zelensky. If you insert this one equal sign right A3, which is this cell A3, and comma 8, that means take 8 characters from the end of the cell, right? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this Zelensky is 8 character from the end, right? So if you see this, control and tilde, if you see this, here is the function. Equal right in the cell of A3, take 8 characters, right? So you can extract character of in the Excel cell, right? Take 8 character from the end of the cell. Let me give you example again. This is Roger Wu, okay? The function is equal left A5, which is this cell in the A5, comma 5. That means take 5 characters from the beginning of the cell, right? So here is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So Roger will be extracted. Okay? Now I'm going to show you another one. The other one is ID space Paz space San Juan. So if I put equal sign mid A7 in the cell A7 and then take 3 character from position number 6, right? Take 3 character from position number 6. So here is ID is in the A7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so this is position number 6. And then take 3 characters. So this pass will be extracted. Okay, so if I run this, there we go. The pass will be extracted. So take 3 characters. Take 3 characters from position number 6. There we go. Take 5 characters from the beginning in the cell, right? And then this is take 8 characters. This is from the end of the cell, right? This is from the end, from the beginning, and this is the middle position. If you look at this, right, from the end, right? Left is from the beginning, right? Take 5 characters from the beginning. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So take 5 characters from the beginning in the cell. This one is mid. Take 3 characters from position number 6. So equal mid A7, which is cell A7, and position number 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take 3 characters. So this is pass. So if I run this, there we go, right? If you press Control plus tilde, that is the above tab key, it will show you the function. All right? So thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this video is informative. How to extract character in Excel. Because sometimes you receive the data like this. The name and the city, they are together. So how you extract it to put it in the separate cell so you can create a label. Thank you.